This is an unboxing video of the A&K Airsoft M249 MK2 saw. There's the packing paper crap. Lots of it. I got this from Airsoft Megastore for $280-ish, I think. I think that's what it was. And I already opened the box just so I could get that out of the way, so like always. It says A&K M249 MK2 made in China right there. And that's all it says, I think. Yeah, so hold on, let me get this open real fast. When I said I already opened the box, by the way, I meant the big box, not this one. But I did cut the tape on it. Nice, cheap styrofoam. Not what I'd expect from a $300 gun. Little golden ball BB. Little, I guess, advertisement thing or something. A hard orange tip. It's plastic, but it's a hard plastic. No, that might be metal. I'm not sure. Probably is metal. Front side adjustment tool. Sorry, that box is getting in my way. 9.6 volt battery, small type, and a trickle charger, which I would not recommend using. I'd recommend using a smart charger, which you can get for about like $30 from almost any airsoft website. Here's the huge 2,500 round box mag. And I guess the gun is no cleaning rod. It's weird. It's pretty good weight. Fold out metal bipod. Adjustable carrying handle if I can get it. Alright. Polymer stock, metal receiver, polymer handguard, metal barrel, plastic orange tip, metal bipod, metal carrying handle, except for the grip part. The battery obviously goes in the stock, right there in the back. And there's the gun. Pretty freaking sweet. Can't wait to use it. So, I guess that's my real fast unboxing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. See ya.